In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can reset your Instagram Explore page. So to go to the Explore page, you tap on the second icon, which is that magnifying glass. This is your Explore page, and if you want to go ahead and reset this because you don't like the posts that are coming up on the Explore page, you can go ahead and do so, but this wouldn't be an immediate fix, but it is a solution. So let's get straight into it. So to do this, you go to your profile by tapping on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you tap on the three stripes at the top right, then you tap on settings, then you want to tap on security. Now you can see the last option there is search history. If you go ahead and tap on that, it's going to give you your searches that you've made. So if you go ahead and tap on clear all at the top right, and then clear all again, that's going to clear your search history. And then if you go back to your Explore page and you refresh it, sometimes you'll get new posts and sometimes you won't. So all you need to do now is continue your regular searching on Instagram, search for the accounts that you want to see posts from, and then interact with those in the comments and so on and so forth, so Instagram can know what type of posts you like, and eventually they're going to start showing you different things on your Explore page. So that is how you reset your Instagram Explore page on Android in 2020. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.